The Sully Antique Car Show will happen on June 19th, Sunday, in Chantilly, Virginia at Sully Historic Site. It is an annual show, and we've been doing it for 47 years. We had to take a 2-year break with the pandemic, so people are very excited that this show is coming back. People will be able to see a lot of different cars, about 350 some cars, and they will be judged in various categories.
We'll have about 300 cars on the field to be judged. I have 30 judges, and so that breaks down to about 10 cars per judge, but it's fairly easy because we have just an appearance judging. We look at the car to see if it looks good. No rust, no dust, no bust. So my job as chief judge is to make sure that the judges are here on time, they get out, and they give us consistent, even quality of judging across the board. We give out 3 trophies in each class, the 30 total classes. 29 of those classes are automobiles and 1 is for special display.
Well, we welcome all cars that are 25 years old or older, that are not hot rodded or highly modified. These are mainly for original cars that have been restored nicely. Some modifications are okay, like better tires and suspension, but we want the cars to look pretty much as they did back in the day. We'll have cars going back to like 1908 all the way up to just only 25 years of age.
Right now we have almost 200 cars pre-registered, show cars, to come to the show. We'll have a flea market venue, we'll have a car corral, we have an excellent food vendors coming to offer sandwiches and great barbecue. And it'd just be a good day for all. We have a children's tent and a lot of features, a couple of special displays which I won't reveal now because some of them are rather unique.
We will also be commemorating Juneteenth, which is June 19th, and it's the same day as the Sully Car Show. As part of that, visitors will talk with interpreters about the cabin and the enslaved people who might have lived there, and they will learn about the men, women, and children who lived and worked here in the 17th and 18th century. And another component is the signs that we'll have that highlight the African American inventors of car parts and anything to do with automotive. And I think there will be some that will surprise you.
They will also get to see a couple of live music bands. You can go to our website for more information, or you can call our park number if you'd like to talk to us more about it.